The FDA has granted market approval for the world's first bionic eye. This artificial retina technology, supported in part by the National Science Foundation, should be made available later this year to individuals who have lost sight as a result of the most pronounced stages of the retina-damaging condition retinitis pigmentosa, an ailment affecting 1 in every 4,000 Americans. The Argus II retinal prosthesis system streams video from a small glasses-mounted camera to a belt-worn computer which converts the video into radio signals. A tiny microelectrode array surgically implanted in the back of the retina stimulates nerves for the brain to visually interpret. Dr. Mark Humayun, a retinal surgeon, engineer, and the technology's co-developer, explains.
The patients and the kind of blindness that we can help are those where the photoreceptors of light-sensing cells in the eye are damaged. But the rest of the retina is relatively intact. The nerve going from the eye is relatively intact, and so is the vision center in their brain. So what we're doing is effectively bypassing the partly damaged retina with the electronics.
During the testing phase of the research, 30 patients were implanted.
The two most exciting moments for me were seeing the moon in the sky and the fireworks on the 4th of July. Very exciting.
Dr. Humayun hopes that future improvements to the device will result in even better clarity.
Where this technology could go is to go beyond the level of vision we have been able to provide in these early patients. That is, currently they can see large objects, they can see a doorway, but can you get them to be able to read, recognize faces, and someday even be able to detect colors?
The technology is manufactured by Second Sight Medical Products of Sylmar, California, which is part of a research team involving university, federal, and private sector researchers who spent nearly 2 decades developing the system with public and private investment.